Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another Funday Sunday watch face review. We got a nice one for you today. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Welcome back for another Funday Sunday watch face review, and we got a nice one for you. As you can see, this watch face is definitely looking good. All right, you all, let's go ahead and let's check this watch face out. Now, it's by Mr. Time, right? And the name of the watch face is called Expedition. What I like about this watch face, you can go either way, whether you want to dress up in this watch face and or whether you want to dress down just super casual. You can go either way with this one. It looks nice. Now, in the always on mode, it still has a good look. You're pretty much going to get what you see now in the always on mode. But for the Gear S2, I think I like that one in the AOD a little bit better than I like the Gear S3 in the AOD. Either way, you still get what's needed and important, and that is the time. Now, when the watch face is on, right, you kind of can see you get a unique way to tell time, which means you get an analog watch face and digital, so you get the best of both worlds. But I'm liking the uniqueness of it. I like what they put in the center too as well, so far as the symbol. Also, the dials represent your watch battery info, and then on the other side you have your seconds. Up at the top, it's going to tell you what hour it is, and it's colored in. I like that look. And what I like about this one is that whether it's the moon or the sun shining, it's going to let you know what type of day it is that day. Also, you come down, you get your digital time, you get the day of the week abbreviated, and you get your day and your date. Everything that is important except for your step status info. So this is more so geared for if you're going out or if you're just hanging out for the day with families and friends and you're really not trying to exercise for that day. You will be good with this watch face. Now, what else it can do is if I double tap, I can change the color of the watch face. And it has quite a few colors that you can change to. Now, I spent 99 cents in the Gear Manager store. They dropped this one down from $1.99 to $99, and I think that was best simply because it does not have step info status. There's nothing you can tap into it to get to it. And it is not interactive at all, except for the fact that you can change the color. Other than that, it is an awesome watch face. I like it. I think it's worth the 99 cents that I paid in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.